My name is Jared, and today I'm going to show you how to use a program called Juno's Pulse to connect to a program called Codon Code to edit your DNA sequence samples that you have, or your DNA that you've sequenced, to find out what you actually have, what the nucleotides are. So first things first, you're going to download two programs from the IUware network, and the first one's called Juno's Pulse Secure. This just allows you to connect to the IU network whenever you're not on campus. The Codon Code program generally runs better whenever you have this program installed on your computer. And then the second one is, as it sounds, the Codon Code right here. All right, so once you have initially downloaded the Pulse Secure, you're going to want to connect to the IU network. This just allows you to be connected to the IU network whenever you're not on campus. So you'll just log in there with your username and password that you normally use at the school. Second, you're going to want to come to this website and pull this website right here. And then you're going to want to pull either of these two links, the IP address or the DNS server name. And that's just going to allow you to log into the Codon Code software. So right now I'm going to log into it real quick. So it just connects to the license server. You're just telling IU that you're going to pull one of their license copies that they have. And I think they only allow like 8 copies at a time to be pulled out of their system. So if it doesn't let you log in for some weird reason, it says like maybe too many no more active license keys, it means there's probably just too many people on the network. So what you're going to want to do is, once you're logged in here, you are going to, if you have a new project, you're going to click create a new project. And what you can do is from there just upload your files that you want to mess with. I'm just going to open a recent project. It'll be easier. So you just open it. It gives you a tip of the day. Here's a little thing you didn't know about our software. So first things first, you're going to want to upload your files or the samples that you sequenced. And you just have to go find them in your computer. And then you just highlight all the ones that you want. And then you upload them. So then you have your unassembled samples. And here just kind of gives you a layout of them real quick, so you can preview them if you want. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to highlight all of your unassembled samples. So there's all of my unassembled samples. And although I've already done this, this is really crucial that you make sure you do. You're going to want to come to Sample. After you've highlighted them all, come to Sample and then Clip Ends. And basically that's just going to get rid of all the junk ends where the DNA polymerase hasn't bound very well yet, and is synthesizing just really crappy. It's just doing a really crappy job, and you can't really tell what the sequence is. So right here, it tells you the number of samples clipped. So this is how many base pairs that they're gonna, or this is the number of samples that they're gonna clip for you, that they're gonna clean up. It tells you the average length before clipping. So this is just number of base pairs on average before clipping, number of base pairs on average after clipping. Average number of 5', average number of 3' bases clipped. Pretty simple stuff. So then you're going to want to click the clip button. Then once you've done that, then you're ready to assemble the sequences. You're just going to come here after you've highlighted them once again and clipped them. Then you're going to want to click the assemble button. And this is just going to line them up as best as it possibly can. And it's going to put it in a contingency. So you can go in here. There is a way to rename them. Can't remember how to rename them currently. There we go. So you can name this sample 1 DNA. So you're going to click on there. And once you're in here, I'm just going to show you a couple neat features real quick. This can switch between the base pairs that it's making and the amino acids. So if you look down here, it actually gives you the amino acids and the 3-letter abbreviations. Or if you come up here and click back to here, it'll give you the DNA sequence again. That's a pretty neat feature that they have. Another one is to mask the matches. So as you see right here, it gives you the entire sequence of all of them. If you hit the mask matches, it's kind of funny to say, but if you hit that, it'll cover up and put blanks by where all the matches are. And that's just a nice way of being able to visualize where your actual errors are. Alright, so in the next couple videos, I'll show you actually a little bit more user processes that you can use on your DNA sequence using this program.